Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and it's important to see the whole spectrum when you're organizing your kitchen, and that's why these spectrum lid organizers have made my life so much easier. Now, the most difficult thing to organize in your kitchen is definitely your pots and pans, and that's why I think these are such a good idea, because you can have something to organize your pans, but then your lids, a lot of times, they have that concave shape to it, and it's difficult to stack them anywhere unless they're actually on the pot or pan, but then that takes away your ability to stack or organize your pans. So I really like this because they just have a nice little hook that you can put onto your cabinet doors, and it just hangs. You can close it, open it with ease. It doesn't get in the way, and you can slide your lids at an angle, and the little dip in between each section allows a variety of different types of tops. If you have the one that has a curved handle, if you have one that has a knob handle, it doesn't matter. It works for any lid, and it is so nice to just be able to, as you're cooking, grab your pan, grab your pot, and then just open the door and choose the right lid that's going to go with that pot or pan. So I think this is a great thing if you're someone who loves to be organized, who loves to just get things with ease. This is a great solution for any kitchen, and that's my point of view.